Children, let us discuss few important questions that are given in annual examinations from atomic structure or structure of the atom. So this question, try to understand this question. Following orbital diagram shows the electron configuration of nitrogen atom. Which rule does not support this? See this. This is the orbital diagram, that is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. So in s orbital, in the first shell 2 electrons are there. Next, in the second shell in s orbital 2 electrons are there. In the same second shell, see in subshell in p orbital 3 electrons are there. Is it correct or not? Which rule is violated? You are asked to find. Are you clear? If you observe that given diagram carefully, what is given? 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. But here in 2p3, see this one, in p orbital, degenerating orbitals. How many degenerating orbitals are there?
3.
That is px, py, pz. Here I am writing this 2p3. 2p orbital, that is 2px, 2py, 2pz. But as per the statement given, as per the diagram given, see, pairing of electron already started without singly occupied. Okay, as for Hund's rule, Hund's rule says that pairing of electrons into degenerating orbitals starts only after all the available degenerating orbitals are singly occupied. Means each degenerating orbital which belongs to the same subshell has to be occupied with one electron each, but here it is violated. It is violated. Without occupying the degenerating, that is pz orbital, it is already paired. So which rule is violated? Hund's rule is violated. So what is the correct electronic configuration here? 1 electron. That is 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz1. So the correct electronic configuration is what is that? 1s2. Here I am writing 1s2, 2s2 and 2p3. This is 2px, 2py and 2pz. So which rule is violated? Hund's rule is violated. This is the way to answer this question. Only 3 rules are there. Filling of electrons into various atomic orbitals are based on 3 rules. The first one is the above principle. The second one is the Hund's rule. The third one is the Pauli's exclusive principle. Okay. In annual examination, every year you will get 1 or 2 questions. Are you clear? Try to understand how to write the questions in the examination point of view. Are you clear? Okay. Write down now. Write the 4 quantum numbers for the differentiating electron of sodium. Before answering this question, you should have the knowledge of what is meant by differentiating electron. Differentiating electron. What do you mean by differentiating electron? the electron which is far away from the nucleus, okay, or the new coming electron, are you clear? Now what is the symbol of sodium? Sodium symbol is Na. Atomic number 11. Now how these 11 electrons are filled in various atomic orbitals of sodium? Tell me. 1s2, 2s2, very good, 2p6, very good, 3s1. Okay, see, 1s2 is first shell, K shell, 2s2, 2p6 is L shell, and 3s1 is M shell. Okay, so this is the differentiating electron. So the differentiating electron is present in 3s orbital. In 3s orbital, how many electrons are present? Only one. So write the 4 quantum numbers. For 3s1 electron. So here I am writing 4 quantum numbers. What is the first quantum number? Principal quantum number, N. Next, angular momentum quantum number. Next, magnetic quantum number and spin quantum number. Okay, principal quantum number, angular momentum quantum number, next magnetic quantum number and spin quantum number. Now see this, what is the value of N here? Principal quantum number 3. So the angular momentum quantum number of s orbital is how much?
0.
Very good. How much?
0.
0. Next, magnetic quantum number is also 0. Why? Because magnetic quantum number takes the values in between minus L to plus L, or the maximum value is 2L plus 1. So if L is equal to 0, how much? 2 0 0 plus 1, that is only one value is there, that is 0. Are you clear? Okay, minus or plus or minus L. So plus or minus 0 is 0 itself. So here it is 0. Next, how many electrons are present here?
1.
So the principal quantum number 3. Next, angular momentum quantum number 0. Next one, magnetic momentum quantum number is 0. Next, spin quantum number. How much? Plus 1 by 2. Because the one electron in 3s orbital is arranged like this. Okay. So the spin quantum number is how much?
1.
Plus 1 by 2. Isn't it? Plus 1 by 2. So if you answer like this, you will get 4 marks. Are you clear? Any doubt in it? Right.